what we all know that whenever we are under stress, any kind of worry, fear, the first thing which is getting affected is our digestive system. Either we are getting IBS or constipation, right? It's difficult to release that fear, that control. It is difficult to let go or forgive. That's why our digestion is getting affected badly, sometimes really badly. So, in today's meditation, we will learn how to come out from this problem. So, whenever you are having any digestive issue, you can hear this meditation, it will help you a lot. I hope it is okay. Let us start. It will take 20 minutes. तो आराम से बैठ जाइए. टेक अ डीप ब्रेथ इन. लंबी गहरी सांस लीजिए. And release. It's very important to learn to release the control which is no longer serving you. There are two things we have learned in declutter technique.
I'm not
Anything which
ordering
is
online like vegetables, so मतलब mostly I'm purchasing from my going
can
वीक
we
प्लान
please
करना
be.
पड़ता है, ठीक है, एक वीक में क्या क्या जरूरत पड़ेगा उस हिसाब से.
Were you asking something or it is by mistake?
तो सर
So
अच्छा है.
music in my voice is audible. Type yes in chat box. And please let me know in chat box if I am audible. Yes, thank you. Thank you so much. So if we are facing any digestive issue, it means somewhere we have to change our thought process. It's not right. We need to correct it. So digestion is the first signal given by our body to change our thoughts or change our feelings. So let us start without delay. Please take a deep breath in. लंबी गहरी सांस लेंगे. And just relax. Once again, take a deep breath in. And release. Relax your body. Release all the tension from your body. Relax your face. Relax your back, abdomen. Relax your arms, legs. And now breathe deeply. Deep breath in. And release, breathe out. Exhale slowly. And your whole body is in complete relaxation. Fully relax your belly muscles. Once again, focus on your digestive system or on your belly, abdomen, and allow it to fill with air. Take deep breaths so that oxygen, that prana vayu can reach to your digestive system. जब भी हम स्ट्रेस में होते हैं, चिंता में होते हैं, हम शैलो ब्रीदिंग करते हैं और उसकी वजह से हमारे डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम तक ऑक्सीजन, प्रॉपर ऑक्सीजन नहीं पहुंच पाती और हमारा डाइजेशन स्लो हो जाता है. राइट? सो ऑलवेज रिमेंबर, रिमाइंड योरसेल्फ, take deep breaths so that your stomach can expand, and when you exhale, the stomach should contract. Continue this process of breathing. And just relax. Now place your hands on your belly. Let a beautiful, bright, healing light, golden light coming from Lord Krishna's lotus feet wash your entire body and especially abdomen. Allow the light to soothe your body. Allow this light, this healing light, the merciful light of Krishna, mercy of Krishna to stimulate the movement in your intestine. Now sometimes we feel my digestion is jammed. Something is clogging. It's happening because we are holding on to that resentment. It's happening because we are holding on to that hurt. It's happening because we are holding on to so many things which needs to be released. We are just troubling ourselves. We are just creating diseases for ourselves, nothing else. Nobody is at risk. Nobody is getting any kind of punishment. If we are holding on to our emotions, we are punishing our own self, our own body. Now feel that I need to release this emotion. I need to release the control. I need to release that hurt, resentment. Because I want to be healthy, I want to serve, I want to contribute, I want to help, I want to progress and grow in life. Life is not meant to just keep this tiny, those useless feelings and store in your body. Now feel the relaxing waves, they are helping you to make your intestines stronger than before. Now they are becoming capable to eliminate everything that no longer needed. Keep breathing and feeling the urge to let go. To let go. If we want to be healthy, we have to learn to let go. Let your subconscious mind know everything you no longer need is being released now easily and effortlessly. Ask yourself, what is that I'm not able to let go of? Your subconscious mind will give the answer. अपने आप से पूछिए ऐसा क्या है जो मैं लेट गो नहीं कर पा रही हूँ और मैं तैयार हूँ ना अपने लिए सफरिंग क्रिएट करने के लिए. What is that I am not able to let go? And I am ready to suffer. Indefinite times into hell. Hell is not anywhere else in here. Hell we are creating for our own self. What should I release? Who I need to forgive or let go in order to be released from that digestive issue, digestive problems. Who should I forgive? Focus on these questions now. किसको आप माफ नहीं कर पाए हो, आपको माफ करना, आप उन्हें माफ करना चाहते हैं. What is coming in your mind? आप ये भी हो सकता है कि अभी तक आप खुद को माफ नहीं कर पाए हो. ये भी हो सकता है कि आप दूसरा कोई व्यक्ति है आपके जीवन में जिसे आप अभी तक माफ ना कर पाए हो. It can be your own self or anybody else. Keep on taking deep breaths because it really needs courage to let go or forgive someone or our own self. Expel everything that needs to be come out. Feel how the tremendous intelligence in your body helps you to easily and freely let go of all old that is no longer relevant to your life. feel your digestive system come to life and is ready to expel all the waste easily and lovingly. Just say to yourself, releasing is easy for me. I easily release the debris that no longer need it. वो debris, वो कचरा हटाने के लिए मैं तैयार हूँ जिसका कोई मेरे जीवन में उपयोग नहीं है. The life is flowing through me and I am ready to step into a new, fresh, vital life. I take 100% responsibility of my life, whatever is happening in my life. Until unless we don't take responsibility of our life, we cannot progress further. We are stuck in the past. जो कुछ भी हुआ है मेरे जीवन में उसकी मैं 100% जिम्मेदारी लेती हूँ. ये हो सकता है मेरे पुराने कर्म हो, मैं उनकी भी जिम्मेदारी लेती हूँ. मुझे ये तो पक्का पता है कि something in me has created this situation in front of me. मेरे अंदर ही कुछ है या मेरा कुछ unconscious डेटा है जिसने ये प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट की मेरे सामने. I forgive myself for whatever has caused this congestion in me. मेरे अंदर कुछ तो ऐसा डेटा है जो मेरे ही बॉडी में कंजेशन क्रिएट कर रहा है. So in that case, I have to forgive myself first for whatever existed within me has created this challenge in front of me. I love my body because it is temple of God. I love my belly, my stomach, my digestive system. Because if digestive system is strong, I am completely healthy and fit. I can serve better. I can do my duties better. Thank you for the lesson and the correction I needed to learn. We all are on a journey. Sorry. We all are in a school called life. We have to keep learning and keep growing in life. So as soon as we started accepting ourselves, accept our mistakes, we are progressing in life. Now I invite you to remember one time when you were in the bathroom and everything was released so peacefully. Go back to that wonderful memory. Whoever is facing constipation problem, especially for those people, just remember one time when you were in the bathroom and you were able to release all the debris, all the unused items so peacefully. Call see yourself as you were in the same position as in that memory. How did you feel at that time? When everything was released so easily. What did you say to yourself? So whenever you are feeling constipation, use this technique. This is also called anchoring. Go back to that memory. जब आपने आसानी से सब रिलीज कर पा रहे थे, आपने अपने आप को क्या कहा था? What was the dialogue you have told to yourself? And our mind does not distinguish between reality and imagination. When you are going back to that memory, it is recreating that same comfort in releasing whatever is stuck in my digestive system. Just visualize your intestine are getting cleansed deeply, thoroughly. Feel free to stay like this forever. See yourself releasing gently with a smile. Another important point is that एक और चीज जो हमें समझना है, every pain, every challenge brings a message. Your body is trying to teach you something. Your body is trying to convey you a message through this difficulty, through this constipation. Ask your belly, what is your message? What could I learn from this? What I need to change in myself, in my thinking, my action, in my behavior. आपको अपने अंदर क्या चेंज लेकर आना है, एक बात हमें समझनी होगी. See, for example, somebody is hurting you or has hurt you in the past, right? Or you had hurt yourself. Please try to understand, nobody is perfect in this world. This world is full of imperfections. Even the spiritual organization, they also have their own imperfection. I mean, patterns are there, some imperfection in there, some policies. Nobody is perfect in this world. आप और मैं, हम में से कोई भी परफेक्ट नहीं है. अगर किसी से या हमसे कोई गलती हुई है, it's okay. Maybe somebody has this pattern of hurting. It's not like that they had deliberately hurt you. Maybe they have this pattern of hurting others. Or maybe they have a very difficult childhood trauma. So many times you can ask yourself, I also hurt sometimes, no? Other people, I have hurt other people in my life. ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता कि आपने कभी भी किसी को हर्ट ना किया हो. हमने भी तो कभी ना कभी किसी को हर्ट किया है. So it's okay. Everybody is imperfect in this world. We have to learn the forgiveness, the art of forgiveness. Not for them, just to keep yourself free, to keep your digestion flowing. So ask yourself what I need to forgive, to whom I need to forgive. गलतियां सबसे होती है, मुझसे भी हुई है. It's okay. Now take your lesson. Just tell yourself, I will be exercising daily, follow your diet properly, no more junk foods, drink a lot of water, and forgive people. Yes. So these 2-3 things, if you can remember, your digestion will be perfect. It will help you a lot. So give unconditional love to yourself and others. Everybody among ourselves, we have our own lesson. Embrace that lesson. Because it has come to help you, to make you evolve, to make you progress in life. Just thank that challenge. Thank you so much for that challenge. I got my lesson and now I'm evolving. I can feel, no, I'm progressing. So this constipation was a friend of mine who came to help me with this thing. That's what he came to help you with. Fill in the blanks. I have learned the lesson of patience, kindness, compassion, contribution, acceptance. So many things can be there. Every part of your body has intelligence, and that can guide you, that can answer your each and every question. Only if we know to ask the question, it is there to guide you. And it is called intuition, which everybody has. So whenever you feel discomfort in any body part, ask that body part, what do you want to teach me? So let us affirm, I am free today, I am safe, I am open, I can release those past traumas, hurts. I am free from the past. I am flexible. I am happy. I am relaxed. God is with me. All good is coming in my life. Everything is happening for my highest good. Maybe I'm not able to realize it now, but I'm sure, I'm 100% sure whatever challenges is coming or has come so far in my life, they have come for my good, to make me a better person, better devotee. So love yourself and love others. सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामया, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु, मा कश्चित् दुःख भाग् भवेत्। इस प्रार्थना के साथ we'll end this meditation. सभी सुखी हो, सभी निरोगी हो, सभी का कल्याण हो, और सभी आत्मा साक्षात के पद पर अग्रसर हो। किसी को कोई दुख ना हो, यही हमारी परमात्मा से प्रार्थना है। Thank you so much for joining for this meditation. Hare Krishna.